August 3rd, 2026, and we're going to do a quick fig tour. I'm going to start with Petite Negra. Black Mission. Chicago Hardy. Stella. Lattarula. It's got some nice figs. Vern's Brown Turkey. Violette de Bordeaux. Desert King. Little Miss Figgy. Chicago Hardy. Vern's Brown Turkey. Kadota. Black Mission. There's another Kadota. Neverella. Phenomenal. G.E. Neary. Neverella. Brown Turkey. Black Mission. Brown Turkey. Black Spanish. This one's a mystery fig, probably a Chicago Hardy. Little Ruby. This one's another mystery fig, Chicago Hardy, maybe a Brown Turkey. Violette de Bordeaux. Desert King. Negronne. Negronne. Violette de Bordeaux. There's another Negronne. Another Violette de Bordeaux. Vern's Brown Turkey. Olympian. This one's a Neverella. And Desert King. Here we have an LSU Purple in the ground. Negronne in the ground. This is a bit more of the premium fig area. We've got a Gino. San Antonio. Longue. It's 2 years old and about 8 feet high, and it's got some big figs. We've got Adler. And we've got Hugo Yellow.